Hello, today we will guide you through how to write SOPs with Claude AI. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and practical. The goal is to use Claude to quickly generate a starting draft for a standard operating procedure, or SOP, using a prompt you provide in a new chat. This is a helpful way to speed up documentation, especially when you want a clear structure that you can later review and refine. To begin, open Claude and go to a new chat. Starting with a fresh conversation is useful because it gives you a clean space to focus on the SOP you want to create, without mixing in instructions or context from previous chats. Once the new chat screen is open, you're ready to enter your request. Next, type in a sample prompt about writing SOPs. This is the part where you tell Claude what kind of SOP you need. Try to be clear and specific in your wording so the output is more useful. For example, you might ask Claude to write an SOP for onboarding a new client, processing invoices, handling customer support tickets, or completing a recurring internal task. The more context you provide in the prompt, such as the purpose of the process, the intended audience, and the level of detail you want, the better the draft is likely to be. As you enter the prompt, think of it as giving instructions to a capable writing assistant. If your team needs SOPs in a particular format, such as including objectives, required tools, step-by-step instructions, and quality checks, it helps to mention that directly in the request. This can save editing time later and make the result easier to use right away. Once your prompt is ready, press Enter to submit it. Claude will then generate a response based on your request and begin drafting the SOP. At this stage, you can read through the output carefully and decide what needs to be adjusted for your workflow, tone, or internal standards. AI-generated SOPs are often a strong starting point, but they work best when reviewed by someone familiar with the actual process. That's the full process for getting started. Open a new chat in Claude, enter a prompt about the SOP you want to create, and press Enter to generate the draft. From there, you can continue refining the document until it matches your needs. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you create SOPs faster and more efficiently with Claude AI.